Hello, this is Ron back with another video from Ron's drone tech and camera channel. And today this is going to be a short video. A lot of people have been asking me, what kind of mics I use out in the field and how I'm getting my good audio. I mean, some people think I have good audio. I don't know if I actually have good audio, but most of the time when I'm on the field, out in the field filming, I'm, getting my audio with my GoPro Hero 7. And funny, we should be talking about GoPros. This is the week they released the GoPro Hero 9, which I will get in eventually and review it. But my go-to right now is the GoPro Hero 7. And it records my audio as well as video. And a lot of people say, well, I use the Hero 7 and I get a whole ton of wind noise and it ruins the video and everything like that. So I got a tip from a friend, Kyle, and I forget Kyle's last name. Kyle has a big YouTube channel. He's a championship bike rider, and he also is one of the early people to have the Skydio 2 drone for testing. So a lot of people know from that too. So one time he I forget how, I saw this, but something he was demonstrating, he showed this piece of foam. It's called the Wind Slayer, the foam Wind Slayer, and it's not even a branded name. Like here, you can order this on Amazon.com. You get 2 for $8.88, and I've never even used the second one so far. It comes in a generic bag with no no writing except made in China, Win box 2. So it's kind of probably a real generic product. So anyhow, you think, well, this, how can this be any good? Well, it goes on the GoPro. You just put it inside this thing here, and it kind of fits in there loosely, and your camera pops through, of course. And muffles your sound, muffles the wind enough that you still get good sound from it. It comes in. It's got holes here for the on-off button. I mean, the camera start, camera off button, the on-off button on the side there. It's got the you can put your GoPro. Actually, it's loose. I put it on. I'm showing you wrong here, as a matter of fact. That's why it went on so easily. You put it into your cage. This isn't the official GoPro cage. This is a third-party cage, which allows easier access to the side compartment here. So as you can see, the speakers are down there. Hopefully you can see it in this light. One mic is down there, and maybe the only mic, or here's something on the side here too. In fact, I'm not sure that's not the mic, and maybe that's a speaker. But anyhow, there are the openings. So you take this, the Wind Slayer. Now it's going to fit in a lot better. Sorry, knew something wasn't right there. It was like too loose. So now you have the Wind Slayer on, and there's the camera stop and start, the on-off button, the GoPro mounting system comes to the bottom, and of course, the camera shines through here, and it's starting to break up a little bit in the back, but it's not hurting anything. I've had this for over a year, and you put this Wind Slayer on, and it really, if it's an extremely windy day and it's blowing right towards the camera, you're still going to have the wind noise. But on a moderately windy day, this thing is going to eliminate a lot of the noise, and it's going to eliminate you having to hook up a bunch of microphones, wireless mic. Many days it's going to eliminate you hooking up a big rig to get better audio, where the GoPro's capable if you're standing close enough to it. And again, this will take out a lot of the ambient wind that you get, almost any place you are outdoors. Again, this isn't the answer in high winds, but in a normally windy day, this will take a lot of your audio issues from wind out at a very inexpensive price of $8.88. And I think I'm cool. I just looked this up on Amazon, so I know the price, but I think they were even cheaper, when I got them over a year ago. So just a little kind of handy pro tip there if you want to try to get better audio. And this is the Hero 7, but this thing doesn't fit loose. I'm sure it fits the 8. I'm sure it fits the brand new 9 because it doesn't, it doesn't fit that tight. I'm sure I don't think they've changed any of the position of the buttons on the 9, so it should still line up, with the 9, but definitely line up with the 7 or the 8. And again, I haven't tested with the 9, but I'm sure I will test that in a future video. So I don't want to go on and on about a piece of foam here, but it does work. It's very effective, very affordable. I mean, it doesn't look like a whole lot there, just a piece of foam, but somehow it covers up just enough of the the mic to take out a lot of the wind noise, but not take out your audio from your voice. So again, links will be down below. You can purchase this on Amazon. I'll have my affiliate link, and I do make a small commission from the affiliate links. It'll be very small on an 888 item, but every little penny counts. So I want to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Ring the bell notification button for more videos like this. And, if you got anything out of this video, hit that like button, and we will see you on the next one.